Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your LED bar here and the mute button on your PlayStation Portal. As you see, we have a blue bar on the right and the left side, and there is a yellow LED on the mute button. It's look nice for me, but if you have some issues of this and you want to disable it or changing the brightness, go to your settings here. Now there is a display and brightness here, and there is brightness, lighter bar and mute button. So now you have a standard off. We can off it, and as you see, we don't have now our bar, and there is a mute button. You can off it, and as you see, our button doesn't light now. Let's one more time back to the light all the details, and that's it. Now I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.